how to buy Woop on the Kucoin exchange. A very good day to all of you. In today's video, we're going to see how to acquire Woop in the Kucoin exchange. The first thing we must do is enter Kucoin.com. If we do not have an account, we click on Sign Up and we will create an account with the phone number or email. If we already have an account, we go to Log In and introduce our account. We do the CAPTCHA. And perfect, we are already inside. Once inside, we can buy cryptos in different ways. Here you can see you can give a deposit to deposit cryptos. If you want to deposit fiat, here you have Deposit Fiat. And it will tell you that if you want to do it through a bank account, Visa or MasterCard, or for those who have Advocash, they can do it at 0% commission. With bank transfer, you also charge a 0% commission. Surely later, you will have to do the identity verification. You can do it from here. And to buy back Woop, we either put money in through our bank account, credit card, and so on, and pay it in fiat, or else we deposit crypto. The Woop, as you can see, can only be bought in trade, here in spot trading. We look up here at Woop. As you can see, the only pair that Kucoin has is Woop USDT. Therefore, if we want to buy Woop with cryptocurrencies, we will have to do it with USDT. Therefore, we will also have to leave our trading password set. Security verification. Here we give a send code. $656600, a 6-digit number that allows different operations to be carried out on the platform. We will have to put a 6-digit numerical password. And we would already have our password created, which we can now enter here in order to operate. We return to the Woop USD pair. And here we would go to the market and we can sell or buy it. For that, we need to have USDT in our account. Therefore, we go to Kucoin. Let's buy crypto and deposit fiat. We would deposit the fiat in the way that best suits us. Through transfer, through credit card, or through Advocash. And then we could visualize it in our wallet. Here, we would see the amount we have. We would click on euros, and we would exchange it for USDT. In my case, what we are going to do is deposit cryptocurrencies. Therefore, we will make a deposit. What I'm going to deposit is going to be BNB. In this case, we select the network, which is the Binance Smart Chain. And we copy the address to which we have to send the BNB. Let's go to our MetaMask. We paste the address, check that it is correct, and we are going to send the BNB. We confirm that the gas is okay. We confirm. If we click on History, Deposit and Withdrawal, we will get the transaction from before. We can also, in case we want, see the transaction. View on Block Explorer. Here we can see that the transaction has been confirmed. Therefore, it will not take long to reflect. In fact, we already see what appears to us here. Although the amount has not arrived, it is in process. Now it is time to wait until it is confirmed. it is going through 23 or 32 confirmations that it needs. Here we could also see that this is what we have seen before. 42 block confirmations according to this. There are already 45. Here it is already complete. And here we will have received the message that we have received 0.01 BNB. We will have to go to our wallet. Let's go to what we have, and here we give to transfer. From the main account to the trading account. In the currency BNB. If you have another, send another. And here we send the maximum amount, which is 0.02. We confirm. We see that it no longer appears in the main account. We're going to spot trading and look for the currency that we have sent, which in my case is BNB. Here we will get the pairs that your currency has, BNB USDT. First of all, confirm that the currency you're going to send has the USDT pair, otherwise you will have to make several changes between currencies. We select USDT. And we're going to sell BNB, which is what we are going to do in this case. We don't want to buy BNB, we want to sell BNB for USDT. We're going to market, and we put which is the fastest way, especially for small quantities, and we give it 100%. We get the 0.02 BNB that we have to sell. We give sell BNB. Our order has been made correctly. And now we should go back to Kucoin. Go to our wallet. And here in the trading account, we already see that we have 4.43 USDT. Again, we would go to trade, spot trading. We would look for Woop, which is only paired with USDT. And here the same thing. We would select market. In this case, we want to buy Woop, amount of USDT 100%, which is $4.43. We would click on buy Woop, and the order has already been placed correctly. We return to Kucoin. We return to our wallet. And here we can already visualize our 102 Woop that would have given us for the 4.42 USDT. If we want to send them from our trading account to our main account again, we would come here. We click on transfer. From the trading account to the main account. Woop, the maximum, we confirm. They no longer appear here. And now, when we click on our wallet, we can see how we no longer have money in our trading account. We have it in our main account. Here are our Woops that we have successfully purchased. Remember that if you are not going to buy Woop through cryptocurrencies, you are going to do it with fiat money. First, you will have to load that fiat money in Deposit Fiat. In Buy Crypto, deposit fiat. And once deposited, you will have to change it to USDT. Remember that it is the pair in which the Woop is available. If you want to buy with crypto, you must first come to spot trading. See all the pairs that USDT has? USDT, you see all the pairs. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sol, Ape, ADA, AVAX, XRP, you'll be able to exchange all these currencies for USDT. Therefore, any of these currencies will serve you if you want to buy Woop with cryptocurrencies. You can send either USDT directly or you can send another cryptocurrency, which you will exchange for USDT in spot trading, to later exchange it for Woop. And you will already have your Woop purchase satisfactorily. And all that remains is for us to enjoy the walk to the moon. Thank you very much, and see you in future Woonkly tutorials.